Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix if your Instagram has restriction on it, then how to make request review to solve the problem. The restriction on your account, you can fix it. This is mainly due to content verification or animation of the file and doing it. So click the first review and you have only 29 days to press review. Fill the caption and you need to upload ID, official ID card. You can also upload driving license on which you have zero birth. You can also upload unofficial ID like library or school ID card. Click upload. Now upload the front side of your ID card. Click submit. You don't need the back side here. Click submit. Now you have to wait until your account has been reviewed. You have to wait until your account has been reviewed by Instagram team. So in this way you can press click for your Instagram account if you have a restriction on your account. Please subscribe again and thanks for watching the video.